In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your X.com or Twitter viewing history the right way using the Data Archive option inside the app. This is a really useful method if you want to review your activity, find your past account data, or simply understand what information X stores for your account. Before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the X app on your phone and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. This opens the main menu where you can access your account settings. From here, look for Settings and Support and tap it. Then choose Settings and Privacy. This is the main area where X keeps all of your account, privacy, and data controls. Next, tap your account. This is usually the first option at the top, and it contains the tools for managing your account information, including your downloadable data archive. Once you're inside, select Download an archive of your data. X will guide you through the process of requesting your account archive, which can include a wide range of account activity and stored information. If prompted, you may need to confirm your identity before the archive request is approved. After that, X will prepare your data for download. Depending on your account activity, this can take some time, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Once the archive is ready, you'll be able to download it and review your account information. This is the best way to check what data X has associated with your account, and it's the closest method available for reviewing your history through the platform itself. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.